Energy harvesting chips, also known as energy harvesting modules or power management ICs, are critical components in modern electronics that enable the conversion of ambient energy into usable electrical power. These chips are commonly used in low-power applications, such as wireless sensors, wearables, and IoT devices, where battery replacement or recharging is not practical. Energy harvesting chips come in various types, including solar, thermal, and vibration harvesters, each with unique characteristics that suit different applications. These chips provide a reliable and sustainable source of power for electronic devices, reducing the environmental impact of electronic waste and enabling the development of self-powered, autonomous systems. With the increasing demand for energy-efficient and sustainable electronics, energy harvesting chips have become more important than ever, enabling the development of innovative and eco-friendly electronic devices. If you have a demand for purchasing IC chips, please contact us for consultation or quotation.